MOTOVLOG I, you already know what we do.
Hey, what's good, y'all? This your boy Dream Big, and I'm back at it again with another video for you guys. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe to the Dream Squad. CGW is the latest channel out there. You know, we're new to the moto vlogging game, but you know, we've been working on this sound quality, and y'all won't believe it, I just got the purple Panda in the mail, and I hooked it up to my helmet, so hopefully this video sounds amazing with the sound quality. They rate themselves as having movie quality mics that you can use for, you know, shooting videos and stuff with the lapel. So I got the dead cat on there and everything, so it sounds good. We'll see how it sounds at this rate of speed. You know, I'm not going that fast, but I'm on the highway, so you know, it's a little more windy on my mic, so hopefully it still comes out good. But today we got a dope video on my commute home right now. So we're gonna talk about how I made it out the hood, y'all. So if y'all don't know, you know, I'm from Brooklyn. I'm originally from Brooklyn, New York. What up? What's good? What's poppin'? So that's for all my people in New York, all 5 boroughs. What's up? What's up? What's up? But you already know it's about Brooklyn. So anyway, so I left Brooklyn to move down to the A, because you know I was tired of the rats and stuff. I was tired of living in the basement, and you know, I kind of wanted to be on my own and, you know, have my own crib and whatnot. So I got some family out in Atlanta, so I decided to, you know, hit up Atlanta and see what it do. You know, it's hot, it's warmer in Atlanta too, so I'm thinking, you know, warmer in Atlanta, you know, that's where I belong, you know. As long as it's not Florida, you know. Georgia went blue, so that's all that matters. So, you feel me? So I moved down to the A for a little bit to get, you know, kind of get my career started essentially. And long story short, actually my first apartment, you know, I wanted to be in this particular area, Marietta. Damn, what's her channel? Two wheels, something. If you watch moto vloggers, you know what I'm talking about. She's a moto vlogger in Atlanta as well, and she vlogs in like around my old neighborhood, but she vlogs like on the other side. So I used to live on, it was this apartment called the Stratford Ridge. You can Google it. I'm sure it's probably still, it's still the same thing going on there. I think they went through a couple different management companies. So, but it's right off Duck Road. If you're in Atlanta, shout out to Marietta, shout out to Atlanta. Right off Duck Road, I was in there, you feel me? So I'm coming from New York. So keep this in mind from a northerner standpoint, you feel me? So I'm from the north, so I'm paying, my rent at the time was probably like $600. And I'm getting a full-blown apartment. If I pay $600 in New York, I'm probably sharing like a bunk bed in like college style in a room with like 2 to 3 other roommates paying $600, let alone having a full apartment. You know, this apartment had a pool, laundry room, I'm talking gym, supposed gated community, all that. So coming from New York, I'm like, yeah, let me get that. You know, I'm thinking nice neighborhood. I took a tour, you know, the apartment looked nice to me. You know, it's not the nicest of apartments, but you know, it's my first apartment, so I'm like, hey, let's get it. And you know, I'm not, like I said, this is my independence right here. So I'm moving in, you know, it's getting kind of windy. but I moved in or whatever, I'm seeing like all the kids and I'm seeing kids and like guys hanging out outside every day. It's nice out in Georgia, but I'm thinking that's like cool. It's good that people are outside. I hate when I see like the kids staying inside playing video games and stuff all day. So I'm not thinking nothing of it until like my family came to visit. Shout out to my bros. They got a YouTube channel too. Make sure y'all subscribe to them. Just Jay and Marcus J on YouTube. They can do YouTube. They got some channels too. But yeah, they came with my grandparents, and they said they basically said they saw some things. They said it reminded them of like Call of Duty or Warzone or something. I don't know where that came from. I personally never heard any gunshots out there, but I seen some heavy police activity some days. You feel me? So, it's just crazy, and I leveled up. I leveled up from that apartment from that day on. I never got like robbed or like anything like that. Actually, my upstairs neighbor, he was cool. He's a truck driver, and he straight from Miami. He was like Trick Daddy or something. He had the gold up in his teeth, and he used to look out for me basically. When he moved out, he gave me like some of his furniture, like a TV stand and stuff that I used. It was dope. I had a good time while I was there. I met a lot of people. Anyway, so my family was basically concerned for my well-being, so I had to level up, and around the time when they came to visit me, I basically found this like really good paying job that was salary, and it's actually where I ended up meeting my wife at, which is pretty cool, if you ask me. Oh man, it looks like it's about to rain like crazy, so let me hurry up. Like, you understand how hard it is to do the moto vlogs out here for you guys in Seattle, Washington. Well, this is like Olympia, but it's so hard because it rains so much, and most people don't even ride, to be honest. Most people don't even ride once they get to this, but it's still pretty nice outside. It's probably like high 50s right now, but man, look how dark it's getting. But I do this for y'all, man. I really enjoy making these videos for y'all. It's something I commute, so why not? Maybe, hopefully I get some footage for y'all tomorrow too. Man, I've just been growing. Growing, man. But so quick updates with the fam, because I know y'all haven't seen the fam on the channel in a while, because I've been doing the MOTOVLOG. My wife, she just ended up finishing her course, so she's gonna be a this tax season. If any of y'all need y'all taxes done, hit me on Instagram or hit my wife on Instagram, and she can definitely help you with your this tax season. She is now a certified licensed tax technician, or whatever you want to call it. My son is still going to speech therapy. He does it like virtual now, so he's doing that. My other son is in homeschooling. You know how stressful that is for my wife, because she works from home, and she might as well homeschool him, to be honest, because that's kind of what she's doing. So that's the stresses. I'm at work, this COVID thing going crazy, so You know, it's just a lot going on, man. But y'all already see this rain is coming down, so I ain't gonna hold y'all no longer. This is how you ride in the rain, for real, for real. So, you know, appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And drop a comment down below. Tell me if you like this video and tell me how the sound quality sound. All right, we out. Peace.